Today on this car we'll be fixing this lower arm on the hold. There is one working screw out of three. These two are torn off, so we need to weld this in. And here is the gas tank, so that's very nice. We need to... Tady prachu na zemi, jak to? So after good advice, we have decided to use this bolt and put it in here like this and weld it in so that we can still use it like normal. So we have cleaned this off. Underneath this we have got a non-flammable cloth, and then we have got a wet cloth over it so we can get to welding.
Aha, svítí na svářečka?
Ne.
Tak je to rovně?
So yeah, we managed to get the two on, but the one when we were tightening it, it tore off. So in the future we need to fix that. But right now it'll be on the two, so that's better than nothing, I guess. Well, it will in the first entry it'll fall off, so it's fine anyways. Enjoy it all, share the enjoyment.